Tea with milk. Number 1. Which sentence from the story best shows that May did not like the banker her mother wanted her to marry? A. His family owns the bank where he works. B. Charming like a catfish. C. May could not sleep that night. D. The young couple was left alone for the afternoon. Make sure you find your text evidence. Number 2. According to the book, May's problem was A. She only wanted to drink her tea with tea, milk, and sugar. B. She needed to find a good husband. C. She wanted to find a new job where she could drive a car and get an apartment. D. She wanted to move back to America so she could speak English, get a job, and live in an apartment. Number 3. Which sentence shows that May is beginning to like Japan? A. Masako became the store's guide for foreign businessmen. B. It would give me great pleasure if you would have tea with me. C. The odd thing was that the kimono did not seem so uncomfortable now. D. She saw him again on the third morning. Number 4. Why did May become bored with her elevator girl job? A. She does not get to talk to the customers. B. She does not like her uniform. C. The supervisor is not very nice to her. D. Her parents don't know what her job is. Number 5. Which is the best summary of Tea with Milk? A. May moved to the city, but she had a hard time fitting in. She had to start high school all over again, and she was not happy about that. She left and went to a large city where she got a job. She was an elevator operator, but she wanted to do more, so much more. She loves her tea with milk and remembers her childhood every day. B. As a child, May grew up in San Francisco and after graduation moves back to Japan with her parents. She's not happy about this move. However, she meets Jim and falls in love and they have a son, Alan Say. They live happily ever after in Japan, a place May loves. C. As a child, May grew up in San Francisco, but after graduation, she moved back to Japan. She did not like it and had a hard time fitting in. She decided to move to the city and got a job, which she didn't like at first. Then she liked the job, met Joseph, and married in Yokohama. They had a son, Alan Say. She still drinks her tea with milk and sugar. How do you know this is the best summary? Use the strategy we've taught you. Tree of Cranes. Number 6. According to the story, why does Alan play in the pond? A. The pond was filled with bright colored fish. B. It was too cold to play inside. C. His mother would be upset if he played somewhere else. D. He had no friends. Make sure you use the picture below for questions 6 and 8. Number 7. Based on the story, what did Alan learn? A. Try your best to help others. B. Always listen to your mother. C. How to give and receive. D. Respect your friends and family. Number 8. In the story, when Alan said, "And all I caught was a bad chill," he means he was A, brave, B, lonely, C, hungry, D, sick. Number 9. Look at the diagram below. Which sentence best goes in the empty box? First box, Alan's mother was folding paper origami cranes. Blank box. Next box, Alan and his mother decorate the tree with paper cranes and candles. Last box, Alan woke up with a kite behind the tree. Which sentence best goes in the empty box? A, Alan went to the pond and got wet. B, Alan's mother dug up a small tree from the garden. C, Alan and his family made a snowman. D, Alan's mother got angry at him. Number 10. Which is the best summary of Tree of Cranes? A, the boy disobeys his mother and visits the pond. He has to stay in bed to get better and discovers his mom doing strange things. He watches as she remembers her traditions in California, and he enjoys his first Christmas. He learns through her that love and peace are what Christmas should be about. B, the young boy learns about his first Christmas, and he also gets in trouble for going to the pond. He was not old enough to wear long pants, and he gets a cold. The fish are not swimming because it is too cold for them. C, the boy disobeys his mother and visits the pond. He has to stay in bed to get better and discovers his mom doing strange things. He watches as she remembers her traditions in California and enjoys his first Christmas. He gets a samurai kite, and he is so excited. He can't wait to fly it. He can't because it is snowing and there is no wind. He gets so mad and his parents punish him. Make sure you choose the best summary of Tree of Cranes. Look over your whole test and make sure you have answered every question before you turn it in.